Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back, and it's Friday. So I thought, okay, let's do something fun. We all love fun Fridays, right? So in this video, I'm gonna share an important recipe which I've recently invented, and people started liking it. I thought, okay, let's go ahead and share it with my people, my lovely people. So here we go. And the recipe that we're gonna try today is called as, don't laugh at me. It's called as jam biscuits. It's also called as jam cookies. All right, so jam biscuits or jam cookies. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna first show you what are the things that we need. First and the foremost thing that we need is a biscuit, right? We need few biscuits. So we got few biscuits here, and we also got jam, right? So biscuits and jam. I'm going to take you through the process of how do we make this happen. I think I have to stop the video, and because I have to switch the camera, my phone doesn't support that feature. So let me cut there. I'll catch up. All right, my lovely people, we are ready with the ingredients. So we have few biscuits, and as I told you, we have jam. So be careful when you handle with scissors. So first thing you do is cut the jam packet into, so that the jam will come, right? Then dust off the biscuit. Now this is called cautify of the biscuit, like you have to, how cockroaches just go upside down, do that thing, and apply a little bit of jam. And this is the maximum amount of quantity. It looks like a heart shape, you see that? It means I love you. Right, so once you do this, take the second biscuit, and all you have to do is, this is called grinding and stuff. So now the jam biscuit is ready. Now, if you're a fan of sugar, Horlicks or Boost, you can also add stuff like that. So I've got like little bit of sugar. This is sugar, this is Boost, and this is Horlicks. If you are a fan of, say, if you want to add Boost, all you have to do is just dip Boosts and then just add it. Now this is called as Boost jam biscuit. All right. Now some people may laugh at you, but yeah, when it comes to food, don't worry about anybody, because it's only you and your food. Okay, so this is now we're gonna try with Horlicks. Okay, so this is now called as this is now called as jam Horlicks biscuit. All right, and so we're gonna end the process with 2 more biscuits, and we're done. So now again, a few more jam, and we'll mix sugar. Sugar is gonna be the best. I love sugar. Now this looks so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah? Now we'll just add it. All right. So we got 4 biscuits. I'm gonna keep this away for now. If we got 1 biscuit, that's okay. So we got 4 beautiful biscuits, and now the biscuits are ready. And now we're gonna serve this food to a few of my friends and see their reactions. Thank you. I'll cut it here. We're first gonna try with one of the best foodie in our team. He's Avinash. Avi, we have made jam biscuit. I think you're taking sugar jam biscuit. That is called yeah, that's only the jam biscuit. So
Jim jam types.
we'd like you to.
This is Urga, man.
No, that's not Urga. That is it's made up of Boost. So it's Boost jammy.
Okay, this.
Okay, this is jam, only
Just jam. Okay.
Just jam, yeah, just jam.
Jamming it. Okay.
Yeah. So we want you to taste the food and let me know how it is. Like it? Wow.
Nice.
Nice, thank you. How much out of 5?
4.
4?
Four.
Perfect. Thank you. Fist bump. Cheers. Go to jam biscuit. Check it out and let me know how it's. Go to hell, man.
2 GB RAM phone. 2 GB RAM लिया भाई जमाने में मेरे.
Okay, shut the hell. Do you like it?
Awesome, bro.
But you can't because you already had the. It's too bad, Tushar. Too bad. Would you rate out of 5?
0.
3.5.
3.5. Thank you so much.
Ask me.
So this is not my birthday gift, by the way. So this is a new recipe which I just created. It's called jam biscuit. Oh. Okay. Anyhow.
I think one should be enough for us to do the investigation.
Yeah, I'd like to know the reaction. Actually, you're eating a Horlicks jam biscuit. It's made up of Horlicks and jam and then biscuit.
Not bad.
You like it? Let's see Ruchi. How do you find it?
But I can only feel the biscuits right now.
You can only feel the biscuits?
Good job, Rosie. Good job.
Yeah.
No, I haven't feel that.
Out of 5?
I'll give 3.
3. Alright. That makes me sad. This is called jam biscuit, okay? Check it out. I just prepared it.
So
You guys would love it.
what is it?
Eat and let me know.
Jam biscuit.
It's made up of jam and biscuits.
Not so much.
It's nice? It's nice, right? Badhiya? Yay!
Can I take this also?
You want to know the recipe? I'll share the video.
I know. It's
You know it?
jam, some sugar.
No, it's not some sugar. Okay.
I can see it.
Alright, that's fine. How much would you rate out of 5? How much would you rate out of 5?
Because I'm hungry, 5 out of 5.
Yay!
Yeah. 3.54 out of 5.
Anyhow, thank you.
I will record your video. Have this.
What is this?
It's a very nice chocolate.
Made up of?
Made up of chocolate.
Made by?
Made by chocolate.
Okay.
What the hell?
I don't want it.
Must chocolate.
Check it out, John.
It is tasty.
This is so nice. Yeah, you should really try it.
Jam wali biscuit मैंने खाई और
Is it a mint or a chocolate?
It's a minty chocolate.
Hey, this is not what he made.
He
made
No, I didn't make this.
kind of his version
Yeah.
of Jim Jam.
It's not Jim Jam. It's jam biscuit. Machan, you have to You should really try this, Machan.
Crispy, I think
No, no, no.
you should also try Maggi. Why not we take the video and you try yourself?
I just did.
Try sometime.
எப்படியா இருக்கு?
Even I had this before when I have L4 chocolate. I have tried
Shravani, we ate all the chocolates, but still,
That's fine. I only ate right.
you're happy? Good girl. Sometimes you gotta do blogging in the office itself. So people eat all the chocolates and yeah, doing the blogging work.
You did not tell him about this, right?
His name is Gulam. Like hello Gulam.
Put all the chocolate papers, please.
2 minutes.
What?
Tissues?
No tissues, only plastic. This is blogging.
Wait, I'll give some.
Put all the chocolate papers here.
That is chocolate. Don't put
Don't
chocolate
litter
on
your
the-
desks. Do not litter your desks.
Fail नहीं हुआ मैडम
Yeah.
अरे ऐसे ही स्टक होता है फिर वो एरर आता है डेस्टिनेशन होस्ट